Today we're excited to introduce the BIMUVA Baby Swing for newborns, a perfect blend of comfort and technology designed to soothe your little one effortlessly. This electric motorized infant swing features a sturdy aluminum frame and can accommodate up to 17.64 pounds, ensuring safety and durability for your baby. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily play your baby's favorite tunes, or choose from 10 preset lullabies to create a calming environment. The swing's sleek design requires assembly but promises a lightweight experience at just 7.72 pounds, making it easy to move around your home. Its single-seat design is perfect for newborns, providing a cozy and secure spot for them to relax. Whether you're looking to entertain or soothe, the BIMUVA Baby Swing offers a seamless experience for both parents and babies alike. Don't miss out on this innovative solution for modern parenting, where convenience meets comfort in every swing. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.